Welcome back to the new Motorcycle Riders podcast. Please like and subscribe to our channel to help us reach more motorcyclists. Today, we will talk about fault and who is responsible. As a motorcyclist, you may hear riders say, "I had an accident, but it was not my faulty." I am going to give you two scenarios, and you decide who is at fault. Scenario 1. A motorcyclist is riding down the street and comes to a stop. But instead of stopping, the rider is in a rush, so they decide to go through it without stopping. The motorcyclist is struck by a car that was traveling on the road that intersected with the road the motorcyclist was traveling on when they ran the stop sign. Scenario 2. A motorcyclist is traveling straight on a road when they see a motorist quickly pull up to the stop sign on an intersecting street. The motorist never fully stops before pulling out into the intersection. The motorcyclist saw the car in plenty of time, but did nothing to adjust their speed or prepare for an evasive maneuver, just in case the car did not wait until they passed. The motorcyclist broadsides the car. In these two scenarios, who is at fault? The point of those examples was not to determine fault, but to evaluate the results. In both scenarios, the motorcyclist crashed and possibly received injuries. The fault did not matter. Let law enforcement and attorneys determine fault, but you as a motorcyclist needs to do what is in your best interest to avoid an accident no matter who is legally at fault. I have seen accidents and near misses from motorcyclists who were in the right but ended up dead wrong. Ride responsibly. Thank you for joining us on another episode of the new Motorcycle Riders podcast. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Also leave us a comment. Your feedback helps to improve our content.